So, yeah, it started raining yesterday and I got a little wet. Hope it still works. I'm sure it will. So, this is my new welder, and you can see that I just added it to my old cart. I already had long leads. Yeah, little detail, wheels, welding rods, whatever, you know. And yeah, I need to clean up the leads, the setup. So I need to add the negative cable. Hook it back up, no problem. You just hook it to the nubs. And of course these unplug. Yeah, I'm figuring out a way to angle the blade. I'm going to reinforce it to the greater blade. Anyway, this is a setup. I'm going to tack it and then refine the connections. It's actually an old pickup truck brush guard. So, this is actually about this helmet. So I did another video where some of y'all see this and say, well, shit, I can do that, but it's two fans, folks. Two of them, back to back, blowing the same way. So I did have a plug-in for it with adapters. So I got a battery, rechargeable, 6 ampere. I'm not very good at math, so I let artificial intelligence figure it out. It should run these two fans at their amperage for approximately 15 hours. Yes, 15 hours. So I'm gonna try to plug it up and do a little demonstration for y'all. A little bit of yep, I don't know how I'm gonna do this one-handed, but let's see if we can hook it up. And I'm working on it. Give me a minute. And the fan start is hooked up. Battery goes in my pocket. You all say, well, shit, that ain't gonna blow much. Well, there you go. You can't see air, so it's blowing over the face shield. Also lighten it up. Cut some of it off. It's a prototype. It needs to be lighter. Lighter material to make the shell. And of course, you can buy these helmets with it already included. We'll just get rid of the little props here. Get my fingers in the fan maybe. And there is the wattage, amperage of one fan. These come off of computers you might have around the house. Anyway, enough on that. I guess it's, I really like this helmet, by the way. Well, I guess that's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it and learned something. You can buy helmets with fans on them already, but how much do they cost? These fans are free So until the next time, goodbye, folks. Definitely gonna have to do some cutting and grinding to get this to work. But no big deal, it's what I do. I love these tractors. I bought it used. It only had 550 hours on the engine. Anyway, as you can see, the former owners hit something. This should take care of that. There you have it, folks. See you later.